So Christmas is not only about ham, lamb, and jam, but it is. It is a very important part of Christmas.
Ham, lamb, and jam.
Yeah. And I want to thank the folks at Blue Ribbon for making this one possible. I'm going to show you how easy it is to pull together the perfect ham for Christmas morning. But guys, Destra Garcia is here. You do ham, lamb, and jam, or do you do?
No, of course.
You do.
Of course, must have ham for Christmas.
But you were telling me that Brian is not a ham, lamb, and jam person.
That is he lost.
Hard luck for you.
I say I don't like my ham. No, but yeah, I think ham is a staple at Christmas in every household. I mean, even if you have some people that don't eat meat, you still have to have ham.
So do you now have to cook two meals, two courses
it's
on
not
Christmas
necessarily
Day?
looked at as two meals, but a variety, because that's Christmas
Right.
too.
That's Christmas
you have
too.
different items, and you eat what you like, or you eat what you don't like. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So yeah, ham is there.
Ham is there. Des, you did some things I think over the last, and I'm gonna start with recent, because when I heard that you were part of the Brian McFarlane Christmas, I said, so how I didn't know about it, because I heard it like toward the tail end of it.
Serious?
I came back in the country, I was out of the country, and I came back in the country. And then, I mean, that was an amazing experience.
It was different. It was different for me, and I always wanted to be a part of something like that, a big production, and interacting with the singers backstage, being one of the headliners. That was kind of awesome. I mean, people would say, but you always headline an event, so that shouldn't be strange to you. But being a part of something, and being one of the important people in the production, that I had my dressing room, I had people dressing me, people doing my hair, people doing my makeup. I mean, it's the same thing like when I go on stage. But I felt like a real queen in that moment.
There's a bit of theatre, I suppose, to that. Yeah, a bit of theatre.
And I haven't done that kind of thing since school, when I was part of a choir and that kind of thing.
And then singing, because getting to sing, because I know you have a beautiful voice. And a lot of you sang Christmas music.
Christmas songs, covers,
Christmas covers. A lot of even what you do now in soca, I think, looking back, has been influenced by your love for R&B and that kind of thing. So I know you like that.
I try to, when I do my own recordings, to actually showcase my vocal ability, but it's a little bit difficult, because sometimes you have to put that command and that power in the vocals, even from the recordings. So it was a breath of fresh air to be able to come on stage and not do too much, because it's still a production, so your hand movements has to be very eloquent. Actually, I was told about that, and like, all right, so just move.
You can't do that.
It was like I had to be trained over. It was nice. It was humbling. It was nice, and I was surrounded by lots of talent.
And it is so much different from what you do.
Different. Listen, and that was the worst part, remembering the lyrics too.
Yeah.
Because listen, I mean, even when we sing our own songs on stage, we can still say, "Hey, when you forget something, especially if it's a new song." But you can't do that with a Christmas carol.
That was fantastic. So Christmas, very much. Your carnival is work.
Yeah.
I know you enjoy carnival, but are you a Christmas baby?
Of course.
Yeah.
I think for Christmas I enjoy the eating most of all.
Yeah.
Because it's no secret. I like to eat. I just like to enjoy myself. You know. And my mommy and my daddy like baking, and it's always a very fun Christmas home. Christmas carols, parang playing. I mean, my dad from Santa Cruz, so it's Spanish town, and then my mom also has Spanish in her blood, so it's just that whole authentic kind of Trini Christmas kind of Spanishy influence. It's nice.
Every family has their own traditions. Do you? Like for instance, Zaya now is a big girl.
She's 12 now.
She's 12 now. So do you all go back to mommy and daddy? You go back to mommy and daddy's granny?
Every Sunday.
Not just Christmas. You're going for Sunday food?
All the time.
Yeah, no shame, girl.
No, but I'm very family oriented. My mom and dad are always there with me neck and neck as my support system too. Since I was born, I didn't have them, and my sister and my brothers and all my family, So it's always a family time.
Yeah.
You know, Boxing Day we would go by somebody, and then the day after, until Christmas is over, we just go in my people's house. Family. You know, that's our tradition.
Zaya is 12 years old?
She's 12.
Where was 12 years old? I think I saw, she's in convent now. I think I saw some pictures. I said, but look how big this girl gets in.
I know, and you know now from the beginning.
From baby, yeah.
Everybody's asking me the same question.
12 years?
12 years.
Wow. Teenage, great. She fetting just now.
January,
she's a teenager. I want to just tell folks what I did with this ham. Because this, as I said, blue ribbon hams are so easy to prepare. You just remove the netting. There's a lovely netting holding it together. Remove that netting. And all you do, as I said, you clove it down. So sometimes you can score. I didn't score, but what I did with this, I took a sharp knife and I basically kind of poked holes in this top cap of fat. What that allowed is that when I started to glaze the ham, everything kind of just seeps in and keeps the ham nice and moist. That's a secret. So you can stick your cloves all around. And key, I did a very simple glaze. Keep your glaze very simple. Don't try to do no fancy glaze. All I did, brown sugar, mustard, orange juice. And you season it up a little bit. A little salt, a little pepper. I like a little spice, probably a little cayenne pepper, a little chipotle pepper just to give it a little edge. You mix that and kind of just whisk that together and you glaze. You let it bake for about an hour, hour and a half, and then you apply your first glaze and a half hour every time until it's complete and looking wonderful and juicy like this. Blue ribbon ham on Christmas morning is a must. So I'm going to start to just slice this up for Destra. Yeah. So deep. You know? So you see that first piece, huh?
Yeah. It's very looking
if
juicy
you don't mind, this little, I have a little thing. This little end piece here, yeah. Is mine, yeah. Right? That's mine.
I will take one inside.
Once you know how to fight over the end piece, right? Once you know how to fight over the end piece, juicy, right? That's what you're looking for. That lovely juiciness.
Mouth watering business. Wow. You're showing off now, huh? Stop it. Your friends is no, you know.
Just in case you want a little bread.
But no, I want this really mouth watering now. Suppose I didn't know how to use knife and fork now.
Come now, man.
Embarrassment.
Nah, I would teach you quick.
Now it's succulent. I could dip it.
Come now, man. You
you. I'm so accustomed to home. Don't double dip.
Don't double dip, but that's you.
Yeah, Not too salty.
Not too salty.
Look, these hams don't come salty already.
They do. So you literally.
It's all gone. I thought it would be salty.
Nah. Perfectly salted. Perfectly salted. That's what I said. We're coming back. Eat up your ham. One of the folks at Blue Ribbon for making it possible. Simple ham on Christmas Day is the most satisfying thing you could ever have. Once you have ham smelling of the place on Christmas morning, you know it's going to be a wonderful holiday period. We're coming back. Look where I spending Christmas with.
I'm still here.
Look where I spending Christmas with Nolia.
I'm going home.
Come on.